Hi guys, welcome everybody to my channel once again. Today's our topic is again the figures of speech. Today we will deal with another important figure of speech, hyperbole. Hyperbole in Marathi and Hindi, अतिशयोक्ती. Now the definition of hyperbole. In hyperbole, the statement is made by exaggeration or overstatement to create the more effect in the poem. Again, the definition: in hyperbole, the statement is made by exaggeration or overstatement to create more effect in the poem. In Marathi, अतिशयोक्ती अलंकारामध्ये एखादी गोष्ट अतिशय फुगवून किंवा ताटवून किंवा बडाई करून सांगितल्या जाते त्याला अतिशयोक्ती अलंकार असे म्हणतात. नाउ लेट अस एक्सप्लेन द डेफिनेशन विथ सम एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ हायपरबोली. द फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, द फ्लावर प्लांट सेड, I will see you with 1,000 eyes. Here, the statement is made by overstatement or the exaggeration. A flower doesn't have the 1,000 eyes, but here said the flower having 1,000 eyes. Now, the second example, and when I died, the neighbors came and buried my brother John. How it is possible for a person that one died and the neighbors buried other? Means here again the poet has used the hyperbole, means the statement is made by the overstatement. Here said the poet has died and his brother John was buried by the neighbor. Now the third example, human beings can move mountains. Human beings can move mountains. It is not possible for a human being to move a mountain. Means here the poet wants to say that the human being is able to do anything, and it is here the poet has made the exaggeration or the overstatement. Now the fourth example, it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. Here also the poet has used hyperbole, means the statement is made by exaggeration or the overstatement. It's only raining heavily, but here said it's raining cats and dogs. Now the fifth example, I have told you 1,000 of times. I have told you 1,000 of times to study. Means here someone has said many times to study, but here said one has said to study 1,000 of times. So here is also the poet has made the exaggeration or the overstatement for the extra effect in the poem. Then last, there flowed the rivers of blood in the Second World War. Means in the Second World War many people were died, but here said the rivers of the blood the flowed down. It is also impossible, but using hyperbole the poet made this statement, made this line exaggeration or overstatement. Thank you.